Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix this site can't be reached error in Windows 11. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type command prompt. Then, when you see it in the list, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives it permission to make system changes. Now, a black window will pop up. This is where you'll enter a few commands to reset your network settings. Start by typing this net ipv4 reset.log, then press enter. This command resets your internet settings for IPv4, which is one of the main systems your computer uses to connect online. Next, type net winshock reset catalog and hit enter again. This one resets the network socket settings, which can sometimes get messed up and block your internet connection. After that, close the black window. Now, go ahead and restart your computer so all the changes can take effect. Once your PC restarts, open your browser and try visiting the website again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.